Hey everybody, got a bike video today. Gonna swap out some handlebars. These are just the wrong shape. Denise doesn't like them, so I'm gonna change them. Here we go. New bars, carbon fiber, and 36 centimeters, which is what's on here. Pretty small. I'm gonna replace the quill stem with a regular kind of stem, a bit more modern. And to be able to make that modern stem happen, we have a stem adapter, which I've not thrown this away. I took it off some bike, kept it. Now I get to use it. Great stuff. Here we go. Swing right over there. Ta-da! Hey, voila. Now, I think we may have run into an issue. The fact that this is so short. That's our problem. All right. Well, parts have arrived. So, we saw before, this is 28.6. That's 25.4. So, I needed an adapter to go from 25.4 to 28.6. And this goes in here. And then that will clamp onto that. Something I forgot to mention from last time, if you can recall, this one, which is what I was going to use, sits really high. That's as far down as it goes. And this is hanging out and it looks ridiculous. So to fix that, I didn't get a smaller one. I made a smaller one. I just lopped that sucker off with my grinder and cut down the bolt. Now we have something that's flush and it looks cool. So that's way better. Adapter. Beautiful. And that's the finished product. Cannondale Competition ST with a new stem and bar tape and bars. That should be a little less aggressive, a little bit shorter drop, shorter reach, same 36 centimeter width, but it should be a little bit closer. 80 mils there on the stem, but I think that looks pretty damn good. Pretty good. Okay, you can probably hear in the background that it's time for Millie to get her dinner. So, thanks for watching. That was another bike video. Like and subscribe, all that crap. And yeah, see you out on the road.